What is the scope of business?
The scope of business or the extent of business is more extensive than the terms commerce and trade. Trade is one of the parts of the business. It involves the trading of services and products. It fills the role of an intermediary, and along these lines, it moves products from the manufacturers to the end consumer. Then again, business is a more extensive term. It incorporates trade, along with the aids to trade. That is, the different exercises that work with exchange. The term business might be characterized as trade, commerce, and industry.
What is the Consumer Protection Council in India?
The National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission (NCDRC), India, is a semi-legal commission in India that was set up in 1988 under the Consumer Protection Act of 1986. Its administrative center is in New Delhi. The commission is headed by a sitting or retired judge of the Supreme Court of India. The commission is, as of now, headed by Justice R.K. Agrawal, previous adjudicator of the Supreme Court of India. Section 21 of Consumer Protection Act, 1986 places that the National Consumer will have jurisdiction to engage an objection value more than 1 crore and furthermore have appellate and revisional purview from the sets of state commissions or the district fora by and large. Section 23 of the Consumer Protection Act, 1986, gives that any individual aggrieved by a request or an order for NCDRC might favor an appeal against such request to the Supreme Court of India within a time of 30 days.
Give an illustration of a petty cash book under an imprest system.
Petty means little or small. In large business firms, all receipts are banked, and all payments are made by cheques. There are various little payments because of costs like writing material, coolie recruitment, refreshments to visitor, chartage, and so on, which can be paid through cheques. In addition, the fundamental clerk or the cashier will be overtroubled on the off chance that he makes these little just as successive payments. To stay away from this bother, such things of consumption of successive events are eliminated to a different book known as petty cash book. Petty cashier is an individual who keeps up with the petty cash book. Petty cash books are kept up within a columnar structure. In this book, separate segments are accommodated under the common head of consumption. A petty cashier makes a thorough examination of petty payments and records under reasonable or suitable heads, i.e., section or column. Petty cash books are like cash books.
Can an increase in the deposits rate increase the money multiplier?
An increase in deposit rates will incite a contributor to deposit more, subsequently prompting a decrease in cash to aggregate deposit proportion or ratio. This will thus prompt an ascent or an increase in the money multiplier.
What are the different types of forecasts in demand forecasting?
There are 3 basic types: time series analysis and projection, focuses entirely on patterns and pattern changes, and thus relies entirely on historical data. Causal models uses highly refined and specific information about relationships between system elements, and is powerful enough to take special events formally into account. Qualitative techniques uses qualitative data, expert opinion, for example, and information about special events of the kind already mentioned, and may or may not take the past into consideration.
What are the features of business cycles?
There are a few elements of a business cycle, simultaneous. Another unmistakable component of the business cycle is that it is synchronic. The elements of a business cycle are not confined to a solitary firm or industry. They start in a free economy and are predominant. On the off chance that there is any sort of aggravation or business boom in one industry, it will influence different firms as well. Since various types of enterprises are interrelated, the business in one firm upsets that in another firm, significant sectors are affected. It's been seen that changes happen at the degree of manufacturing or production as well as in different factors like work, utilization, rate of interest, price level, and investments. The consumption and investment of durable merchandise like houses and vehicles are consistently impacted by the periodical changes. As the course of utilization is conceded, The courses of the business cycle are likewise impacted generally. Benefit variation. Another critical element of the business cycle is that the benefits or profits vary more than some other income sources. This makes any sort of business uninteresting and questionable calling for some. It is hard to foresee financial conditions. In circumstances of recession or depression, benefits might even become destructive. To that end, numerous organizations felt overall impact business cycles are worldwide in nature. Assuming depression happens in one country, then, at that point, it will undoubtedly spread to different countries as well. This happens predominantly in light of the fact that the nations rely upon one another for import and product exchanges. The 1930 Red Chetness in the USA and Great Britain shook the whole world and brought about depression or recession, happens periodically. The various periods of a business cycle happen now and again. In spite of the fact that on specific occasions, these periods will fluctuate as indicated by the financial stats of the business. This term might keep going up to 10 to 12 years. The force of the stages will likewise change contingent upon the economy. For instance, on occasion, the firm will see enormous development followed by depression.